Good day, Philippines. I am your reporter for today's weather update, John Ray Cabal. I will be reporting about the wind surface analysis for Saturday, May 10, 2025. Looking at the weather surface analysis for today, we can see that the wind patterns across Southeast Asia, including the Philippines, the South China Sea, and the surrounding regions. Dominant winds across much of the South China Sea and the water surrounding the Philippines appear to be coming from the northeast. From the wind speed in these areas are generally light to moderate. However, we are seeing some areas of slightly stronger winds over the Philippine Sea, particularly to the east of the general and the northern Philippines. Winds are also generally from the east, but clear but a bit risky in some localized spots.
Go.
Now, let's take a look a bit at the condition of the water, specifically the sea surface temperature. The map shows us the temperature of the ocean surface in degrees Celsius across the Southeast Asia, including the South China Sea and the Philippine Sea. As expected, for this tropical region, sea surface temperatures are quite warm across the vast majority of the South China Sea and around the Philippine archipelago. Temperatures are predeterminedly in the warm range, generally between 28 and 30 degrees Celsius, indicated by the deep red colors. There are some areas of even warmer water exceeding 30 degrees Celsius, shows in the darker red hues, particularly in the sheltered bays.
Go.
Particularly in sheltered bays, coastal areas, and potentially some parts of the central South China Sea. Slightly cooler, though still very warm. Temperature in the range of 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. Lighter red are noted in some isolated spots, perhaps further offshore in the Philippine Sea or in certain coastal currents. These are warm surface temperature are typically for the region and can play a significant role in atmospheric conditions, potentially influencing humidity and providing energy for weather system. For those on or near the water, these are warm conditions. By that is all for today, and stay tuned for next weather update. Goodbye. Thank you.